Hello guys, I'm here from Tech4U2. Have you heard about refurbished phones? So here we go. Take a look at this refurbished iPhone XR from Tech4U2. As new mobile phone prices rise up every year more and more, this might be a perfect getaway deal for you. Refurbished phone. So let's look at this phone a bit closer. It comes in a sealed box, comes with instructions on how to use it, and the display's got the cover, just like the new one. It comes with a brand new lightning cable, a wall adapter, and a SIM card too. As we can see, phone don't have any sign of usage or any scratch on the sides, back, or front. Screen and back of the phone are completely new. The phone is in perfect condition, just like the brand new one, only for a much better price. Phones from Tech4U2 come with 13-month warranty, and on top of that, Tech4U2 gives you 14 days cashback warranty. If you won't be satisfied with the phone, we'll return all your money. Free shipping included. Refurbished phone is just as good as the new one, only for a much lower price. Get your favorite model now at Tech4U2.com.